Hello and welcome to another update video about Aave. So Aave's price development currently goes according to script, goes according to plan. We had our 5-wave move to the upside here. It's not high quality 5 waves, but it's it's a 5-wave move that we can work with. So we had the 5 waves up into the October high here. Well, the 1st of October, that was 2nd of October, 1st of October. And then we talked about our A wave down. I made you aware that around the 38.2 fib level, we have to expect a bounce. In a B wave, that B wave was slightly higher than you would expect it ideally. Well, you shouldn't say that because B waves can always overshoot. It shouldn't be unexpected. But what you can see, the 4-hour candles did not close above our resistance area. So the fib resistance was respected. A slightly overshooting B wave is okay. And I already made you aware yesterday that we're probably moving down in this C wave here, okay, of an ending diagonal. Why ending diagonal? Because how choppy it is. It looks very choppy. It looks really like, I don't want to say quality price action, but it looks like a C wave, yeah, an ending diagonal, which is good because an ending diagonal, as the name would suggest, is the last wave of a cycle here of an ABC corrective cycle. It should, however, still go further, okay, and I would like it to go into the region between $60 and 57, sort of. That would be ideal. Cannot rule out that we already finished this correction at 63, but that would be a bit short. Just because when you have a high B wave, you have to expect that the C wave does not end below A. At least it's a possibility. High B waves make it more difficult. High B waves indicate bullishness. Yeah, they indicate bullishness because the price made in a corrective structure, basically a fake out rally, it made a new price extreme. So the bulls are strong, okay? That's also, so we have a textbook, probably a textbook flat structure here. So we've got that A wave, which bounced off the 38.2 fib level, a high B wave, and now the C wave is an ending diagonal. So that also indicates bullishness, because if an ending diagonal is working out, it means that the bears are not clearly winning. So very interesting. Still though, we broke now below the trend line, and that's exactly what we wanted to see. So I don't have to change the wave count at all, at least not yet. I did warn you that the microstructure might have to change, but at the moment it looks like B wave off wave 3 topped. And we're now coming down in the C wave. I mean, if you want to have more micro counting, I mean, this would probably be a 1. I have to change the wave degree. Second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, certainly a few wave degrees too high. Yeah, and I mean, this is micro counting. Just be aware this can easily change, but that it gives you an idea where we are. There is still a bit of movement to come in wave C. I would argue there will be most likely some micro support around $64, $64.30, previous swing low. But then, yeah, 63 should provide some decent support. And then this will be the decision. If we break lower, I would prefer that. I would prefer that to have a clear and healthy wave 2. Also, that takes a little bit of time. Remember, this wave 1 started already in August, so, a little bit more than a month. So, I mean, at least a couple of weeks correction would be great, okay? Because otherwise, I mean, this started already, so it's already a week old, okay? So 2 to 3 weeks of correction would be great. An ending diagonal is perfect for that because an ending diagonal takes its time. You can recognize the waves, and yeah, that's sort of what I'm tracking. That wave count here is valid as long as the price stays below the wave 2 high at around $69.70 up here. Yeah, the wave 2 high. Obviously, if we reset the B wave higher, not a problem. Here, this small B wave, yeah, if we reset that a little higher, that wouldn't be a problem. But overall, yeah, I mean, at the moment, I assume the B wave topped. We should go to at least, I would say, 63. More ideally, $60.57. And that should happen over the next week, maybe the next couple of weeks, especially now that we broke below this trend line. That's ideal. Now, it's not coming down impulsively, so you cannot rule out that this developing a little bit more choppy price action might reset some of the micro waves, some of the nano waves here, but that's not a problem. It doesn't change the base case. But watch the $63 level, very important, because $63, that is, if you take the length of the A wave and we go to the high of the B wave, then this is the 100% extension level, okay? The 1-to-1 ratio, a very, very common target. If there is no significant reaction to the 61.8 extension, it's typically the 1-to-1 ratio. And after that, the 1.618 extension around the $58 level. which is very much in line with the golden ratio here. Yeah, that's my update about Aave. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.